Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to create a 2D animation in Unity using a cute 8-bit girl sprite. We'll import a pixel art background, animator idle and waving poses, and let her wave when the player presses the space bar. Let's get started. First, let's create a simple 8-bit style room background. You can use any pixel art you like. For this demo, I'm using a pre-made 8-bit room image. Right-click in Assets, Create, Folder, name it Sprites. Drag and drop the room PNG, girl idle sprite, and girl waving sprite image into the Sprites folder. Let's have a quick look of how sprite image look like. Animation sprite image should contains multiple images known as frame. Set texture type to sprite, 2D in UI. And sprite mode to multiple. Use sprite editor to split sprites to single images. Drag the room into the scene. Now drag idle images into the scene. Unity will auto-create animator and animation from sprite images. Create new folder, name it Animations, and save. Perfect. Now we have idle animation ready to use. Let's open new anim folder and see how it looks. Double-click on idle animation. An animation window will be shown. Click on play button to play animation. Now you can see the animation timeline on the right side. If the animation speed too fast, reduce the frame rate value. Also enable show frame rate, so we can adjust different value. Now, do the same with waving animation. Remove auto-generated waving animator. We will use only one animator for multiple animations. Drag waving animation to animator editor. Right-click on idle state and select Make Transition, connect it to waving animation state. Select Parameters tab and create new bool variable, name it Waving, to control state transition. Now select the transition and set condition for it. We will add condition to check waving variable with true value. Now make backward transition from waving state to idle, and set condition to false. Let play and test the transition. You can click on waving variable on Animator editor and set it to true or false, and the character will change animation. Perfect. Now, let's make it automatic using C# code. Create new script folder, then write a quick script to switch the animation when we press spacebar. Drag this script to your girl object. Press play to test. By default, the girl doing idle animation, whenever I press and hold space, she will do waving animation, and come back to idle animation if I release spacebar button. And that's it. You now have a simple 2D animation setup in Unity, with an 8-bit girl character. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Unity tutorials here. You can get this source code on my Patreon for free. Thanks and see you next time.